we're going to be talking about how to change an air filter. In your home, you have what's called returns. They're usually lower, or sometimes they can actually be in the ceiling. There may be more than one in your home. As a renter in North Carolina, it's your responsibility to change the filters. As a homeowner, you need to do this as regular maintenance. The reasons why you should do this is, one, it improves indoor air quality. Two, it helps with energy efficiency. The cleaner the filters are, the less strain on the HVAC system, which equals saving money. And three, super important, the number one reason that HVAC systems stop working is dirty air filters. So you want to make sure you have a regular maintenance plan for your HVAC filter exchange, and in order to keep your HVAC working, especially during those extremely hot and extremely cold days. What you need to look for is a filter. Of course, you need to see what the old filter is to check the size. Then you'll need to purchase a filter the same size. I recommend purchasing one that says last up to 3 months. If you have pets in your home, you may need to change it out more regular. But 3 months is a typical one on ones that last for 3 months. When you get your filters, usually they come in 2 packs. You simply open them up, and you'll look, there'll be a side that says airflow. Right here it is on this airflow. And this is a return, so air is flowing back in this way. So the arrow needs to go this way. Most of these registers either have a little swing flip that opens, or these little push buttons that open like this. Now, you can tell this filter is right at the 90 days, and look how much dust and dander was in there. So very important to change that. And this is just a different brand, but it's still a 3-month filter. We look for airflow. Airflow is going to be going that way. We just simply push this in. And then we want to make sure that we clean the vents on the metal register. It's just a simple dusting them off. Then you close it back up. If you have a thermostat that has a filter change, you reset that. Otherwise, put it on your calendar and mark in the next 90 days you need to change it again. So some thermostats have a section that says replace air filter as a reminder. We just changed ours, so all you have to do is press this and reset, and it'll schedule for another 90 days automatically.
Sometimes when you're changing the HVAC filter, it can be up high. So what you want to do is have a step stool, like so, and replace it with the arrow going the appropriate way. Just pop it in, close it, slide it over, and you're done.